But let's right into the topic. What do you need to do in order to change your password in Minecraft? First of all, just open any browser you want, and then, in my case, I'm just going to open Google Chrome, and then just type in Minecraft.net, and then, or we can already go to Microsoft. It's faster. So just open Microsoft.com, and is this always on German? Yeah, Egypt will do it. And then just sign in with your account, click on the top right corner on your profile, and then click on My Microsoft Account. And then scroll down until you see the security section. Open this, and then click on Change Password. And then you need to re-enter your current password. And then again, click on Current Password, or type in your current password. Or if you forgot your password, click on Forgot Your Password and proceed there. But in my case, I'm just going to type in my old password, select the new password, and 8-character minimum, case sensitive. Just make sure that it's safe and not that easy to find out. And then click on Save. Passwords do not match. Perfect. Alright. Click on Save. Click on Save. And that's it. Really laughing motives. I really hope this helped you guys. And then just sign in Minecraft with your new data. And that's really it. Hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions, just leave them in the comment section below, and I will write you back as soon as possible. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you a wonderful day. Bye.